Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the Tannewitz model TR2014W vertical bandsaw. This machine is in a great condition. The machine has a 20 inches throat capacity. The machine has a blade welder and the blade grinder that's with the machine. The machine so that's the grinding for the blade, and that's the welder and annealing for the blade. So now we're gonna give you some demo on the machine. Yes, sir. So the blade has been started. So this can also be controlled, the speed can also be controlled by the hand wheel. So we're cutting a small aluminum piece. This machine runs great. The table can also tilt 15 degrees, as you can see on the bottom. So we give you the demo on the machine. We cut a small aluminum part on the machine. This machine overall is in a great condition. As I said, it has a 20 inches throat capacity. The machine has a variable speeds on it. The machine comes with a blade grinder, blade welder. So overall, this machine is in a great condition. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.